Hi, you are welcome again to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking into how to use the if function combined with the not function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. Alright, let's get started. The if function combined with the not function allows you to check if a condition is not true and then specify actions based on that negative report. Okay, let's take for instance like the examples I have in my display here. You want to check if these scores are below 50 or above 50, and you can just add your statement and check. First of all, your equal to sign, then you select, you input the formula if, then combine with not, double click, then you select the cell greater than, so we want to check if this is greater than 50. Then you close bracket, input your comma, then we add our statement 50 or below, then comma, add the second statement above 50, close bracket, then you drag down. So with what I have here, it shows that the first score here is above 50 and the one here is 50 or below. The next one is 50 above 50 rather. So, and this is below 50. Alright, I have another example here. We want to check the volume of sales or staff in a particular organization, to check the number of sales they have for a particular period. So we come here, equals to, then you input your formula if, double click, then you put the not, double click, select our logic, equals to this, because we are checking entry. So close bracket, then comma, input our statement, cell is filled, then input the second statement, cell is empty, is supposed to add this, then close bracket, drag down. So here for staff 1 there's no entry, so the cell is empty. For staff 2 the volume of sales is 2, that means sales is filled. Okay, here is the third example. You want to check the quantity of products remaining in the store. Okay, equals to if, double click, and not, double click, and you select our logic. Okay, the expected quantity is 50. Let's say for instance the expected quantity is 50, so equals to 50, then we add our statement which is not 50, add second statement, exactly 50. Then we drag down. So with this, you can determine the quantity of goods or products remaining in the store, whether they are 50 or not. So with that, you have saved a lot of time and stress. There is more to using the if function. Subsequently, I'll be dropping more videos on how to use the if function combined with some other functions. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.